Josef Albers showed us many ways that our eyes can be fooled by color. In this video, we'll be exploring another example of color's ability to change its appearance from Albers' book, Interaction of Color. After we've looked at a few examples, we'll use colorful paper to make some designs of our own. Before I say anything more, let's have a look. Look at this red circle. In the middle of the red circle, there's a little black dot. Can you see that? Let's put our eyes right on that black dot and look at it for a few seconds. While we're doing that, we're letting the red really soak into our eyes. Is the red circle gone? Is there anything there in its place? I suspect that some of you saw some sort of a blue-green circle. That blue-green circle was what we call an afterimage. An afterimage is something that's left in your vision after the object you were looking at has gone away. Albers included afterimage in his book, Interaction of Color, because it shows how dramatically our eyes can be fooled by color. Let's look at another example. Okay, so we have 9 yellow circles here that we're looking at, and in the middle of them all, there's another little black dot. So again, let's put our eyes right on that black dot. Just like before, we're going to let the color soak in, so we're going to keep our eye on the black dot. Okay, now what do you see? Are the yellow circles gone? Has anything else shown up in their place? Some people, after they've seen this example, say that after the yellow circles have gone away, they see yellow diamonds. Other people report that they see purple circles. I think they're both right. Now, we're going to try this color experiment ourselves. To do this, we're going to need some colorful papers. I have gathered some construction paper. If you have that, that's wonderful. And also scraps from magazines and packaging and other things from around the house. We're also going to need some white paper to work on, some scissors, some glue, and a pencil or a pen. First, we need to find some sort of large areas of bright colors. So I found this nice blue, so I'm going to cut a nice big piece of blue out. Now, you can cut any shape that you want. I think I'm going to start with the green. I need a piece of white paper. Now, this is important. I've got my black pen. You can use a pencil also. I'm going to put just a little black dot in the middle of the green circle, and then another black dot in the middle of the other side of the white page. Okay, so just like before, we're going to look at the colorful area, but look at the dot in the middle of it, and hold our eyes there for a little while, and then we'll move over to the other side. So, putting our eyes right here on this little dot in the middle of the green circle, hold your eye there for as long as you need, a few more seconds. Okay, now move your eye over to this little dot. Did anything happen? What color do you see over on that side? If you need to, rewind the video and try it again. We can try this with other colors too. I'll move that off to the side for now, and how about with this blue? And again, we can cut any shape that we want. So I'm going to try a triangle this time. All right, so we've got our triangle, and just like before, I'm going to put a little black dot in the middle of that there. Let's hold our eyes in the middle of this blue triangle on that little black dot just for a few more seconds. Okay, just like before. Just a few more seconds, keeping our eye in the middle of that black dot. And now move your eye over here to this little dot here. What do you see? Do you see anything like an afterimage over there? What color is it? What is the afterimage color that you see after looking at the blue triangle? Maybe we have more than one shape. Again, let's put our eye in the middle of that black dot Hold our eyes right on that black dot. Keep them there. Keep your eye on that black dot just for a couple more seconds. Okay, and now move over here. Can you see more than one triangle in the afterimage? And what color are they? Well, what happens if we have more than one color on the paper at the same time? Let's go back to the green shape. And I've got this red. If you recall from before, we had seen the afterimage color of red. Do you remember what that was? Well, I'm just going to cut this in half. We'll put one side there and one side there. Now, if you put your eye in the middle of that green shape again on that black dot, just like before, but now we've got more colors. Keep your eye on that green shape right in that little black dot. Keep looking at it just for a few more seconds. Just a couple more seconds. Okay, and now move over here. What do you see? Can you see different colors in the afterimage? Now it's your turn. See what afterimage effects you can make. I suggest using brightly colored papers. The brighter the paper, the better the effect tends to work. And be sure to put a point with your pen or your pencil in the middle of what you want people to look at. That'll make it easier for the eye to focus on something. Once you've got something that you're happy with, glue it together. If you do make something that you're happy with, we would love to see it. So please share it. Before we finish, I'm going to share one more afterimage example. This one I call fish in the bowl. So we have this fish bowl, but there's no fish in it. Let's see if we can get these fish into the bowl. Pick one of the fish and focus on the black dot that is its eye. Really look at that black dot. Just hold your eyes on the black dot for a few seconds. Keep looking at that black dot. Okay, now, is there anything in the bowl? Do you see anything? What colors do you see in the bowl? Are they afterimage colors of the fish that you were looking at before? One explanation for what you're experiencing is that the nerves inside your eyes, called rods and cones, get tired after looking at the same color for a while. As long as that color doesn't move, the nerves can keep sending the message to your brain that the color is still there. But when the color disappears or moves, suddenly the rods and cones have to wake up. It takes them a little time to catch up, during which your brain thinks that it's seen the exact opposite of the color that has disappeared. In the case of red, the afterimage color is blue-green. In the case of yellow, the afterimage color is purple. Every color has an afterimage color.